Hi friends, I'm showing you the coolest glowy and fresh beauty hack. This is perfect for when you don't want to wear loads of makeup. So what you're going to do is get Cosmic Glow, which is a radiance booster. Put a little bit of Cosmic Glow on the back of your hand. You can see how glowy it is already. Then you're going to take your favourite lipstick colour of that day. You're going to put a little bit on the back of your hand like that. Like so. This is such a pretty colour. It's like a peachy, pinky colour. Mix the two together. Just put a dab into the lipstick there. This is going to make the most stunning, glowy blush. But it's going to sheer out your lipstick so that it looks kind of like barely there. So it's perfect, kind of like for a no makeup day. And then you're just going to tap the rest of your Cosmic Glow on the top of your cheekbone and just blend that in, and that is going to give you just a really pretty fresh summer look, perfect for the days when you don't want to wear a lot of makeup. Hi everyone joining. So I'm going to do a little bit on this cheek. This is, I haven't got anything on here, but I've just mixed this lipstick with my Cosmic Glow here. Put the two together, and then I'm going to take a little bit more of the Cosmic Glow here, tap it onto my eyelid. No eyeshadow needed. Look how pretty that looks. I'm going to do a little bit more just on the brow bone. So I'm not going to put any in the socket. I'm just doing it on the lid and the brow bone, just underneath the arch of your brow. And this is going to give a really lovely sheen. Can you see how that's glowing? Then I'm going to take a little bit more of the Cosmic Glow, put it down just the bridge of my nose, not taking it right to the tip, just here. And that's gonna just kind of like give me a subtle nose contour. Then I can take a little bit more, put it to my Cupid's bow. Then I'm gonna take more lipstick, put it onto the back of my hand. I'm gonna take a touch more of the Cosmic Glow, just the tiniest amount, and this has amazing skincare ingredients in it. So whilst you're wearing it, it actually helps treat your skin and help your skin produce more collagen, which is amazing. So I'm gonna mix this into my lipstick like so, and then I'm gonna tap it onto my lips, and it's gonna give me a really sheer, it's essentially changing up lipsticks that you already love, and you're thinking, do you know what, I love that colour, but it's maybe too much for one particular day. Like today's a very sunny day, so this is quite a bold look, but by mixing it in with my Cosmic Glow, it's just shearing it out, and it's also giving it a glow. Can you see? It's created the most beautiful glow to this lipstick. So it kind of gives the look of a lip gloss, but without wearing lip gloss. And it's just taking your favourite lipstick with Cosmic Glow. So I'm wearing it on this side of my face. Can you see? I've got it on my eyelid. Really, really subtle, but really, really pretty. And this side I haven't got anything on yet. Well, I've got foundation. So let me do that again. Can you see how lovely it looks on the lips? And you could apply a bold lip colour and then take your Cosmic Glow and tap it into the middle. And that's just going to make your lips look fuller and give them a really nice sheen. Not as sort of full on as a lip gloss, but just as you move your face throughout the day, it's just going to pick up the glow from this and give a really fresh, glowy look. Because I think it's all about, you know, when it's hot out there, we don't want to wear a lot of makeup, do we? So again, let me show you what I've done. I've taken my lipstick, love this colour, it's a really fresh colour. Take my Cosmic Glow, I'm going to do the same, tiniest amount. This will last you ages. You can also mix it in with your face cream, with your foundation, if you want to make your foundation glowy, or perhaps you're wearing SPF and that's all you're wearing and you want to make your SPF glowy, put this into it, or just do what I'm doing. Mix it in with a bit of your lipstick on the back of your hand. Turn your lipstick into a lovely blush, like so. Let's give that a little blend. And then take a little bit of your Cosmic Glow, tap onto the top of your cheekbones. Can you see? Gives you like a cheekbone lift. Minimal makeup. Then I'm going to take a little bit more of the Cosmic Glow, tap it onto my eyelid, like so. Don't even need any brushes, just your fingers. Put a little bit on my brow bone. And this is just a really, really, hopefully the camera's picking up, a really subtle, glowy, fresh summer look, just using your favourite lipstick and Cosmic Glow. Hope you love that. Let me know what other makeup tricks you'd like me to teach you. Comment below, and if you want my free beauty secrets, which is a 7-day course that I've made completely free for you, just comment beauty secrets and I'll send that to you today. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.